Hey guys, welcome back with yet another video on Tricky Hottie Agree. Today we are going to discuss second part of 2018 ICAR JRF Horticulture question paper, which will contain the remaining question. So let's get started. Today's first question is, chilling treatment for breaking dormancy is called. Options are scarification, stratification, vernalization and leaching. So answer of this question is stratification. Chilling treatment for breaking dormancy is called stratification. Chilling temperature means the low temperature treatment. Stratification is a process of treating seeds to stimulate the natural conditions that the seeds must experience before the germination can occur. Next question is, as compared to square system, hexagonal system accommodates. Options are 5% more plants, 10% more plants, 15% more plants and 2% more plants. So as compared to square system, the hexagonal system accommodates 15% more plants. Next question is, Mangla is a variety of. Options are coffee, tea, areca nut and rubber. Answer of this question is areca nut. Other than Mangla, Sumangla, Srinagar are very famous variety of areca nut. Next question is, the highest pineapple producer in India is. Options are Assam, West Bengal, Kerala and Meghalaya. So answer of this question is West Bengal. The highest pineapple producer in India is West Bengal. Next question is, interstock used in apple between the sign and rootstock. Options are M16, M23, M9 and M27. Interstock used in apple between the sign and rootstock is M9. This one is important question, guys. Next question is, papaya is a. Options are Syconus, drupe, berry and Sorosis. So answer of this question is papaya is a berry. Next question is, Cavendish group of banana are. Options are haploid, diploid, triploid and tetraploid. So Cavendish group of banana are triploid. Cavendish group having genome AAA. Next question is, jackfruit belongs to the family. Options are Myrtaceae, Romaceae, Moraceae and Rutaceae. So jackfruit belongs to the family Moraceae. Next question is, the apple variety indigenous to Kashmir and popular in the region is Rome Beauty, Red Delicious, Umbri and Baldwin. So apple variety indigenous to Kashmir and popular in the region is Umbri. Next question is, a shortday fruit plant is. Options are strawberry, apple, mango and pineapple. Strawberry and pineapple both are the shortday fruits, but typically shortday fruit is strawberry. So answer of this question is strawberry. Next question is, the rose hips are rich sources of. Options are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin K. Answer of this question is vitamin C. Rose hips are rich source of vitamin C. This one is most important question. Mostly Rosa canina species cultivated mainly for the cultivation of rose hips, which contains 1800 to 2200 IAU vitamin C. And you should be know that the rose petals are the source of vitamin A. Next question, guys. The main fatty acid in cashew kernel is. Options are oleic, linoleic, stearic and lignoceic. So this one is important question. In cashew kernel, the oleic and linoleic both acids are found, but oleic acid presents 73% approximately. So this one is the answer. The main fatty acid in cashew kernel is oleic. Other than cashew nut, in the walnut, omega-6 linoleic acid is found, which one asked in the previous year question paper. Next question is, The coconut is ideal for the multi-cropping as it utilizes land are only. Options are 25%, 50% to 75% and more than 75%. So 25% land is ideal for the multi-cropping for coconut. Next question is, which gas is released from paddy fields? Options are CH4, H2S, NS3 and CO2. So answer of this question is option number first, methane. Next question is, totipotency in plant is present in. Options are phloem, cork, cambium and meristem. Answer of this question is meristem. Next question is, free living bacteria involved in nitrogen fixation. Options are Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Anabaena and Azospirillum. So free living bacteria involved in nitrogen fixation is Azotobacter. Azotobacter and Clostridium are free living non-symbiotic bacteria. Next question is, the cultivation of crop from the regrowth of stubbles of crop after harvest is called. Options are arrowing, reaping, rattoning and seasoning. So the cultivation of crop from the regrowth of stubble of crop after harvest is rattooning. Option C is the correct answer. Next question is, the gross Michael banana has the genome constitution. Options are AAA, AA, AB and AAB. So gross Michael banana has the genome constitution is AAA. Other than this, Robusta, Dwarf Cavendish have the AAA genome. Next question is, which is a gynodicious papaya? Options are Pusa dwarf, CO1, CO2 and Solo. Here you can use a formula to learn the gynodicious varieties of papaya. That one is DMC TSS, which means Pusa deliciosa, Pusa magistri, Kurg honeydew, Sunrise, Solo, CO3 and COC1. So here answer of this question is Solo. Which one is the gynodicious papaya? Next question is, D leaf is associated with. Options are pineapple, custard apple, banana and strawberry. So answer of this question is pineapple. D leaf is associated with pineapple. Next question is, the botanical name of goldenrod is. Answer of this question is Solidago canadensis. So botanical name of goldenrod is Solidago canadensis. Next question is, corm is an example of. Options are modified stem, modified root, modified leaf and modified scales. So answer of this question is corm is an example of modified stem. Next question is, brinjal variety Arka Anand is resistant to. Options are Fusarium wilt, bacterial wilt, damping off and Phomopsis blight. So Arka Anand is a variety of brinjal which is resistant to bacterial wilt. Other than Arka Anand, Arka Neelkant, Arka Nidhi, Arka Keshav are resistant to bacterial wilt in brinjal. Next question is, vanilla belongs to which family? Options are Amaryllidaceae, Cruciferae, Orchidaceae and Astridaceae. So vanilla belongs to the Orchidaceae family. Next question is, the ideal pH of soil for tea cultivation is. Options are 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. So ideal pH of soil for tea cultivation is 4 to 5. Tea and rice for both ideal pH is approx 4 to 6 mainly. Next question is, Pusa bedena is a seedless variety of. Options are muskmelon, watermelon, long melon and round melon. So answer of this question is watermelon. Pusa bedena is a seedless variety of watermelon. Next question is, cluster bean belongs to the genus. Options are Phaseolus, Dolichos, Cymopsis and Pisum. So cluster bean belongs to the genus Cymopsis. Answer is option C, Cymopsis tetragonaloba. Next question is, the seed rate of ginger is, options are 5 to 6 quintal per hectare, 9 to 10 quintal per hectare, 18 to 22 quintal per hectare, and 35 to 40 quintal per hectare. So seed rate of ginger is 18 to 22 quintal per hectare. Option C is the correct answer. Next question is, leek is botanically known as, so botanical name of leek is Allium porum. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is, carnation belongs to the family. Options are Caryophyllaceae, Oleaceae, Comositae, and Rosaceae. So carnation belongs to the family Caryophyllaceae. Caryophyllaceae. Next question is, Stenospermocarpe is related to. Options are cherry, eonla, guava, and grapes. So Stenospermocarpe is found in grapes. Stenospermocarpe means the seedlessness is due to the abortion of embryo. This one is found in grapes. Next question is, cooking bananas are known as. Options are hill banana, dwarf banana, Poovan banana, and plantains. So cooking banana are known as plantains. It was also known as starchy banana. Next question is, which of the following sugar is sweetest in fruits? Options are glucose, fructose, galactose, and sucrose. So fructose is the sweetest sugar in fruits. Next question is, after brushing off leaves and flowers, which climber emit a garlic-like smell? Your options are Quiscalus indica, Antigona leptopus, Alamanda catharetica, and Adenocalypna alliasum. So answer of this question is Adenocalypna alliasum, which one is commonly known as the garlic plant. Next question is, which of the following is fragrant flowering tree? Options are Talonix frisia, Mimosopus elenchi, Cassia fistula, and Cassia siemia. So answer of this question is Mimosopus elenchi. Mimosopus, which is commonly known as the moles tree, have fragrant flowers. Next question is, the Agnihotri is a variety of. Options are marigold, tuberose, anthurium, and alstroemeria. So Agnihotri is a variety of anthurium. Next question is, the fruit which can be ripened artificially after the harvesting is known as. Options are perishable fruits, climacteric fruits, non-climacteric fruits, and table fruits. So climacteric fruits are those which can be ripened artificially after the harvesting is. So this one is climacteric fruits. Answer of this question is option number B. Next question is, the cashew kernel skin is known as. Options are aril, endocarp, exocarp, and testa. So cashew kernel skin is known as testa. Next question is, a polyembryonic variety of mango is Polar, Mallika, Neelam, and Totapuri. So polyembryonic variety of mango is Olar. Next question is, the multi-story cropping system is very common in temperate fruits, subtropical fruits, tropical fruits, and plantation crops. So multi-story cropping system is very common in plantation crops. Next question is, the family to which coffee belongs. Options are Euphorbiaceae, Rubiaceae, Ericaceae, and Camelliaceae. So coffee belongs to the Rubiaceae family. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is, the seed of cabbage can only be produced commercially under. Options are tropical climate, temperate climate, central Indian plains, and subtropical climate. Answer of this question is temperate climate. Next question is, red flesh pumpkins are rich source of, options are vitamin C, protein, vitamin A and acids. So answer of this question is vitamin A. Red flesh pumpkins are rich source of vitamin A. Other than red flesh pumpkins, sweet potato are also a rich source of vitamin A. Next question is, Chili Hybrid 1 was developed at, options are IIHR Bangalore, PAU Ludhiana, IARI New Delhi and HAU Hisar. So Chili Hybrid 1 was developed at PAU Ludhiana. Next question is, Chili Hybrid 1 was developed at PAU Ludhiana through the male sterile line. Next question is, the short berry is due to the deficiency of, options are zinc, copper, boron and calcium. So short berry is due to the deficiency of boron. Next question is, specific gravity of mango at harvesting should be around 1, 1.5, 2 and 2.5. So specific gravity of mango at harvesting should be around 1.2. So answer of this question is 1. Which one is actual? In actual is 1.02. So option A, 1 is the correct answer. Next question is, the water use efficiency in the ration of, options are yield per evapotranspiration, option second yield evapotranspiration upon yield, next one evapotranspiration upon dm and next in PET upon yield. So answer of this question is, water use efficiency is the ratio of the yield upon evapotranspiration. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, the heterobeltosis is estimated over the, options are popular variety, mid parent, beta parent and popular hybrid. So heterobeltosis is estimated over the better parent. Next question is, the most sensitive phase of cereals for water stress is, options are germination, tillering, flowering and panicle initiation. Generally, reproduction phase is most sensitive phase of cereals for water stress. So panicle initiation is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following element is required for synthesis of the tryptophan as of oxen IAA? So options are iron, zinc, manganese and copper. Answer of this question is option number B, zinc. Next question is, sweet potato belongs to the family. Answer of this question is Convolvulaceae. Option B is the correct answer. Next one is, orchid seeds are devoid of means lack of. So options are cotyledon, embryo, endosperm and seed coat. So orchid seeds are devoid of endosperm due to the micropropagation. Next question is, which of the following vegetable is autogamous? Options are palak, onion, radish and tomato. So tomato is a autogamous. Autogamous means self-pollinated. Option D is the correct answer. Next question is, tea mosquito is a serious pest of, options are mango, apple, coconut, banana. So tea mosquito is a serious pest of coconut. Other than coconut, it is a serious pest of cashew nut. But cashew nut is not an option, so coconut is the correct answer. Next question is, scald is a storage disorder in, options are mango, apple, pomegranate and pear. Scald is a storage disorder in pear. The next question is, which of the following is not a dioecious vegetables? Options are spine gourd, pointed gourd, ash gourd and asparagus. So ash gourd is not a dioecious vegetable. Next question is, which of the following is not a scented flowering tree? Options are Michaelia champaca, Millingtonia hortensis, and Magnolia grandiflora, and Sphethodia campanulata. So we discuss all these mentioned options. First one is Michaelia champaca. It is commonly known as the golden champa, and it is the strong scented tree. Next one is Millingtonia hortensis. This one is commonly known as the tree jasmine or the Akash Neel, or also known as the Indian cork tree. This one is also a scented tree. Next one is Magnolia grandiflora, commonly known as lily tree or branch champa or bara champa. This one is also a scented flowering tree. Next one is the last one, Sphethodia campanulata, which one is known as the tutti tree. So this one is the answer. This is not a scented flowering tree. Next question is Srikara is a variety of, options are ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and cardamom. So Srikara is a variety of black pepper. Next question is a vegetable highly tolerant to soil acidity is, options are okra, cauliflower, asparagus, and potato. So highly tolerant to soil acidity vegetable is potato. Next one is Rajendra Swati is a variety of coriander, fenugreek, black pepper, cardamom. So answer of this question is option A, coriander. Some books mention coriander and fenugreek both, but correct answer is coriander. Rajendra Swati is a variety of coriander. Next question is which of the following is a foliage climber? So answer of this question is Monstera deliciosa. Next question is which of the following is not a concentrated organic manure? Groundnut cake, bone meal, vermicompost, fish meal. So vermicompost is not a concentrated organic manure. Other than vermicompost, the groundnut cake, bone meal, and fish meal are concentrated organic manure. Next question is mobility in the garden is created by tree of different size, evergreen trees, deciduous trees, and tree of different forms. So mobility in the garden is created by the deciduous trees. Next one is all the species of capsicum are diploid with chromosome number is 2n equal to 2x equal to 24. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is F1 hybrid seed production in marigold is taken up by the using of both A and B, both male sterility and self-incompatibility. So F1 hybrid seed production in marigold is taken up by the using of male sterility as well as self-incompatibility. Next question is, this one is last question. Seedlessness in grape is induced by the foliar spray of following PGR. So answer of this question is J3. So this was all about today's videos. I hope you will go through all the mentioned points that are really important. So thank you guys. Share to this video to all who need this information. Thanks for watching.